Hi boys and girls, this is lesson 1.12, angles, triangles, and quadrilaterals. Make sure you get that written down as well as the date in your math notebook. So I'm giving you a link here that you can go to. It's a pretty fun little video about the different kinds of angles, so please make sure you copy that address and go to a web browser, plug it in, and go check that out, and then come back to this. I think you'll really enjoy it. And when you do come back to this, some notes, actually while you're watching it, take some notes for yourselves, but I did write down some on here for you, things that I think you would want to make sure that you get. So, I'm going to quickly go through them. So an angle. You should know that an angle is made when two rays or two line segments have the same end point. So I've drawn both of those for you there off to the side. A line segment one as well as one that's made up of rays. An acute angle, a cute little angle, is an angle that is less than 90 degrees. And then a right angle has a measure of exactly 90 degrees. I'll just show you that one. And we say we could do the corner sign there for a right angle. And we say that the sides are perpendicular to each other, which means where they meet at a 90-degree angle. And an obtuse angle means that it's between 91 degrees and 189 degrees. And then you should know that the vertex is at the corner where they meet. The two sides meet at the vertex. I'll write that right there for you too. Vertex. Okay, so make sure you have those notes down for yourself. And then let's talk a little bit about labeling angles. So I've labeled this angle ABC. I could have it angle CBA, so I can go either way around it and it would be correct. I can write it with the shortcut with the angle symbol in front of ABC or the angle symbol in front of CBA. But one thing I definitely cannot do is start the label with the letter B. It has to start with the points that are on the rays or on the segments, because the letter B is the vertex. It's the middle point, so it has to be the middle letter in my label. So, for example, I couldn't call this angle BCA, because that would look very different than the angle that's actually there. Does that make sense to you? I hope so. If not, go back and reread what I've written down below and or listen to me again to make sure that you get that. Labeling of them is really important. You're going to complete page 29 in your math journal. Give problem number 5 a try. I didn't discuss it with you today. We are going to be building triangles and quadrilaterals tomorrow in class with some straws and pipe cleaners and maybe get out the geo boards. Not something I could easily do in a video with you. So just give problem number 5 a try, and we will definitely be talking about that as well as building those different shapes when we're together. Okay, that's it for today. You got a nice short and sweet one.